Susie Dingle here, and it's been raining in the Northwest, Pacific Northwest. It's been raining like crazy, and we gardeners have been struggling to get our plants into the ground. But I have a tip for you. Handling or pruning your plants when their foliage is wet isn't a good idea because it breeds disease. It spreads fungal diseases and bacteria. So best to handle them when they're completely dry. Here are the annuals that I planted out last year. What I did is I kept them under cover so they stayed dry, and then the moment there was any break in the rain, I would gather up a few and go plant them out in the pots or in the ground. That way I was able to get everything planted, and then the pots would be self-watered in part when the rain started again. Before I knew it, I had all of the beautiful spring plants planted out safely. Until next time, keep dreaming in the garden.